For problem number 5, we want to do more of the same, but I happen to know for a fact that 4 times 8 equals 32, but I also happen to know that 2 times 16 equals 32. So it doesn't matter either way, but you want to find the largest perfect square that goes into it. So in this case, because 4 squared equals 16 and 16 goes into 32, I can separate this into the square root of 16 times the square root of 2. And I happen to know that the square root of 16 is 4, so then I end up with 4 root 2. That's the final answer. But now let's assume that I said the square root of 32 is actually 4 and 8. Well, the square root of this is 2, but then if I look at 8, 4 goes into 8 as well. So then I would say 2 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. And the square root of 4 is actually 2. 2 times 2 is 4 root 2. So you get the same answers, just you have to do the extra steps. Okay?